everybody, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's doing good. It's Christmas officially. We're on our Vlogmas thing, so I don't know what you call it. Yeah, I'm so excited to be doing this because I have never done a Vlogmas before, so this is it. Today, instead of doing any makeup stuff, I am just doing some cooking. It's 11 o'clock in the morning right now and the kids are all in school, so what I'm doing is I'm making them an Irish stew for when they come home because it'll be really cold. So what I have done is I've just browned off some mince. I have my Morphy Richards slow cooker here beside me. I'll just show you that one. So the mince is all browned off there nicely, and I've got my slow cooker on. And yes, there's dishes in the sink because that's life. Not everybody has a perfect kitchen, just saying. So I'm going to pop this in here, put me mince in here. Okay. Right, so that's in there. Put the lid on that now for a minute. Now we're going to get an onion. So now we're going to chop up an onion. So this is real homely, hearty food. It's also full of vitamin. Okay, so the next ingredient is some celery. So my partner hates it, the kid's dad, he hates celery. And I still put it in because it's good for him. Sometimes you have to eat things that you wouldn't necessarily like. These are literally the best thing to eat in winter. They're full of vitamins, these. Fibre as well. Alright, so I'm taking out 2 potatoes. I'm doing 2 today because I have pasta from yesterday and the boys can have it with that as well. Now I have all that done, everything is in the pot. And I am just going to put on the kettle and get some beef stock going. We get 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to cut them up. Actually, no, I might just squish them. Just squish them and then I cut them. Oh, that garlicky goodness. I'll see you in about 6 hours. Folks, welcome back. So it's about 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm just finishing up the soup that I made earlier. So I've just put in another stock cube in it. I put some beef, another beef stock cube in, and I have put some ginger powder, and I put some garam masala in it as well, just to give it a bit more of a kick. And I'm going to put some. I'm going to make the soup thicker now by putting some corn flour in with the mixture as well. So yeah, you can see it there. In all its loveliness. Good hearty, healthy soup. Okay, so I put 3-headed teaspoons. So I put 3-headed teaspoons of corn flour and mixed it up with the soup, so it's got into a nice little paste like this. So it's quite thick, kind of creamy, kind of creamy. And we're just going to put that in. And as you can see, the colour of the soup is now changing. Okay. Okay. So I'd let that get thick for about another half an hour and then we'll come back to it. Right folks, so I had some leftover pasta from yesterday, so I'm just going to put that in here as well and stir it all up because we are literally about to serve. So no food gets wasted. And that is it. It's true. Done Irish style. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. It's not my usual YouTube-y content of makeup and stuff, but I'm hoping you like this, and let me know if you cook it, let me know if it tastes nice. Maybe go a bit less on the ginger, sometimes that can be a bit overpowering if you're not really used to it. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye! Mwah!